Okay, we're outside the barnyard now. There's a notice on the fence for people to give us a call if they want to tour the farm. We have so many drop-in visitors that we can't keep up, so we're requesting that everybody call now to make an appointment to come visit. Here are some flowers. There's a greenhouse. Chickens, the garden out there, the neighbors' houses. Some animals that for one reason or another need to be separated from everybody else. It's pigeons and a bunny. Over there's nothing in that far cage. This is a grove of black locust trees, and you should hear this thing come alive with the honeybees when it's all in bloom. It's beautiful. This is my favorite part of the yard, is in here. I love this part of the yard. It's got the swings for kids. A little building that used to be a playhouse for the kids that we use to brood chickens and raise whatever we need to that's a small animal. There's some old fence board we took down, have to take away. Yeah. Some fruit trees in here and berry bushes. There's a town common. Right over there is where they want to put the gazebo. Here's our little fish pond. I cleaned yesterday and then turned around and made a mess out of it anyway, trying to do some other work with it. Here's that. It says town fire station, the selectman's office, and the library. And up there's the town hall, that white building. Here's the animals and the barn. Sign saying Black Locust Farm. We used to be called Northgate, but there's so many Northgate farms we changed it to Black Locust. There's the geese, the ducks and the ponies out wandering around. I hear the killdeer. I can't see it. Okay. There's a barn in the garden. Going over on the town common. This is a farm seen from the town common. There's a black locust. There's the house. Where we sell our eggs. It's on the honor system, only been ripped off once. Some flowers that the ants are getting after. The front yard. Oh. And that's a tour of the farm.